Yanny. Bro, I got this Becca highlighter. There's a lip plumper.
Oh, you got that?
Yeah, I got it.
What the fuck?
I told you. This cute little pink pearl.
Oh, I was like...
Because it looked cute, and I was like, ooh.
Oh!
Yeah. I got the Becca highlight too. In champagne pop. And then I splurged at Bath and Body Works. I got fresh linen. I feel like I'm doing this. I got some soap, parfum, and then a little wallflower from the stanky room. Oh, and then me and Yanny got a matching bag. So hers just says fuck. Mine says came to fucking break hearts. And we got matching because we're cute best friends. Yeah. So, for those of you who don't know who she is, you've probably seen her on my channel like 2 years ago. She looks a whole lot different. Her hair's short. I got black hair. Mm-hmm. Oh shit. Oh shit. What's going on? Hell! Are we really? Oh! I was like, we're locked. It was just the other way. We're gonna try the pink drink. I'm only getting a tall because we're poor. That, and if I don't like it, I'm not gonna drink it all. That's true. So, yeah, but mostly because I'm poor.
And guys, I apologize in advance for my horrible makeup in this video. It's super hot here in Vegas, and it literally melts right off of my face. It's ridiculous.
So, we're finally sitting here. We're gonna try this shit.
We got the pink drink. It's our first time trying it, and I'm high-key scared. If I don't like it, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, go.
Oh, it's good.
This shit is bomb!
Cheers, bitch. Cheers, motherfucker. Okay. Oh, that's cute.
I can't.
iPads, refrigerators, heart monitors. Okay, maybe not heart monitors.
Hook me up. Look at that shit. It's bigger than my head, and I got a big ass head.
You're welcome. I work at the movies, so I'm always
From the
constantly here.
legendary studio
I get free
Ghibli
shit.
director Hayao Miyazaki. My
We didn't have to pay for this movie. That's the only reason why I'm seeing Cars.
2 days only. Sunday as they discover a hidden world of
Please be quiet and courteous and silence your cell phones now.
Now!
What the? Woo! Where's nobody? Jesus, fucking tight. And when we're making love. Woo! Yeah! We're gonna go to Petland! Our usual fucking place, which we don't obviously mind.
Legit, every time we hang out, we go to downtown Summerlin. No, we go out to eat. We go to downtown Summerlin, and then we go to Petland or find animals and play with them and shit. But it's always usually Petland because there's this worker there. His name is Jordan.
Oh, it's the Google guy! It's the Google Maps guy! Huh? The Google Maps guy where he, like, you know, take pictures of, like, the street. Hi! Hello! Hello! I don't like calling her jokes.
And, like,
Fuck that.
Besides, like, my parents and, like, my family and stuff, she's the only person that doesn't call me Joe and, like, refuses to call me Joe. Which I don't really care. But
Because I've known her for so long, so it's just like...
I like the name Joe because I think it's cute when girls have boy names. But anyways, that's not the point. Jordan at Petland, he's like really chill and he lets us like play with as many animals, like dogs, cats, whatever.
Because he, like, we'd go there like so many times. He knows that we're not gonna buy anything.
So he's like, whatever, fuck it.
And he's just like, they're cool. They're
But
really neat.
there's always like this one guy that works there, he's always like, are you done? Okay, you're done. You're not even gonna get the animal. Like, don't be fucking rude. Still have the tag on it.
No, I took it off.
Oh, I thought you did.
We're here. Thank you. Oh, goodness. Oh, Yanni. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You're so cute.
What's going on?
I feel like these ones are you. Look at your little thumbs. Hi, honey. You're so gorgeous. Hi.
Oh, I want to take her home.
Thank you. You're so cute. I'm gonna take her home. Goodbye. I just left Yanni's, and yeah, it's basically what we do every time we hang out, and we never get tired of it because we both like the same person who likes the same things. Can you see me better? Oh yes, you can. But yeah, so my car door is open. Nothing's stolen, which is weird. I don't remember leaving it open. I'm like shaking really bad right now. I mean, my money and my card is still there. Shit. Oh. All my shit's still here. It's like super scary. What the fuck?
So yeah, I had just left Yanni's house, and that's literally what we do every time we hang out. We go out to eat, go to downtown Summerlin, and then go to Petland or something that has to do with animals and just have fun. But this is my first actual vlog, and I hope it's not too boring. But yeah, so if you guys like my vlog videos, then like and subscribe, and I will be posting more vlogs because I just think they're fun and everything, especially when they are with other people. Alright guys, well, I am gonna drive home, take this makeup off, and go to bed because I am exhausted. Alright guys, bye, love you.